The Leviton Atlas-X1 connector offers an extensive range of features to enable fast installations. The connector supports simple, predictable installations to save time and reduce labor costs. And with an identical form factor, learn only one termination process across Cat 5e, 6, 6a, and beyond. Should rework be required, the innovative door release levers save valuable time and streamline re-terminations. The Atlas-X1 connector enables fast and simple installations, providing significant labor cost savings. For more information on how the Atlas-X1 can simplify network installations, visit leviton.com/atlasx1.